These are the easiest little DIY Christmas decorations ever. Look at all these Christmas trees I made. And you guys, let me tell you what it is. It's just paper underneath. This is actually a Walmart bag. That's all it is. But I use different yarns, and then these are actually thumbtacks that I just stuck in there. Those are push pins right here. But this, see, it's, look, Walmart. It's that real thick, chunky yarn. So gorgeous. I actually made a really tall one that's like sitting right here. You can see how big that is. This gray one, oh my gosh. I'm facing the light, so it's going to look a little dark. I apologize for that. This one I actually did a long chain stitch. So I didn't just wrap the yarn around it. I did a chain stitch and then I hot glued it around it. This one I did the same thing. I actually chained this one and the green ones. The green ones are actually my favorite, even though pink is my favorite. But I love how that looks. And I did a chain stitch on that as well. So I didn't just wrap that yarn around. I did a chain stitch, a super long chain stitch. And then I wrapped it around. Those other ones, I just wrapped it around because the yarn itself is big. And then, oh, let me get up. Then let me show you guys this. Okay, let's just start with this Christmas tree that I made last night because, oh my gosh. Okay, so you guys know, or you might not know, I play a lot of Barbie stuff. And this is just foam board. Look, I want you guys to see. It's just, let me go this way. It's just foam board. That's all it is. Oh, the light just got a little dimmer. It's foam board, and I just cut it out, and then it like, you know, when you cut it, it like splits in half, and I didn't take it all the way apart is what I'm trying to say. I didn't like make two. It's just I cut it and then folded it in half. And then I put these shelves in it. The shelves are super cute. And I got the excuse me, I got all these things from the Dollar Tree. These little balls. And look, I made a little drawer in it and I put some beads in it just to give it some counterweight. Now, okay, this I crocheted, super cute. I crocheted this. I actually posted pictures about this. This is so cute too. This is a Christmas box, like a Christmas, here it is. Well, actually, it's right here. This is what this is. I turned this box into that. That's what that is. And I just took some pink fur. I don't know if you guys can tell that it's actually pink. It's like a light pink fur. And I bought one of those bows from the Dollar Tree just so I could take the belt off. And I gave her some boobs. So this is supposed to be a dress. If you look from the side, it does, you know, she got some girls up there, okay? And then this is just a piece of foam board. Look, it's just foam board. And I hot glued a piece of pink felt on top of it, put those little things around it. And look at this, you guys. This is actually yarn wrapped around the string. And then I hot glued it into a big old circle, put this paper, the plastic on it, and made it look like candy. So cute. Now this, I'm going to insert a video on how I did these legs because this was so much fun. Oh my goodness. This little stand is so cute. It's Santa's feet, okay? Super cute. I'm going to tell you guys how I made it. So this is what it looks like uncovered. I wanted to show you guys before I covered it. But this little like circle thing, I collect Barbie stuff. You guys know that. And it's those fashion balls. So that's what it is. So it's two of them and I break them in half. And I took a piece of, not cardboard. I mean, it is cardboard, but it's a poster board. And I cut that out. This is a paper towel holder. And so I made this one today. I wanted it to be a little bit looser. I wanted the legs to be looser. See how skinny those are? I mean, it's cute, but I wanted it to be a little bit bigger. And then here's the top that I'm going to put on this one. And this too is just a piece of foam board that I covered with felt, and then I put that little trim around it. And this is how this one is going to look. So when it's done, it's going to be another, let me zoom out. It's going to be another little shelf that you can put like candy and stuff on. How cute is that? And you guys, this candy, it's crocheted. It's not, I mean, it's yarn. It's not even real, but it's super cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to go finish it. And then I'll show you what it looks like. Oh my goodness. So here's one set that I did, and you can see the legs are like really skinny. I did another one and I made it kind of like he had some weight on him, but that's what that one looks like as well. And that's what it looks like underneath. It's just, excuse me, it's just foam board. And these little Christmas trees, what did I have in that bottom shelf? I had something, I don't remember what it was. But this is so much fun too. So this is just rope from the Dollar Tree, okay? It's just rope from the Dollar Tree and yarn. And you take it and you wrap the yarn around the rope and then you hot glue it all into a big old circle. You get some wooden dowels. That's what these are, wooden dowels. And I took some yarn and just wrapped it all around. And then I took some saran wrap. Is that what that's called? Saran wrap? Something like that, child. I don't know. But this clear plastic, and I wrapped it around. And this was actually my husband's idea. He was like, you should put some wrap around it. It'll make it look real. I was like, oh my God, shut up. And then I put those bows on it. And I made all of these. I don't know why I'm talking so fast. You know why? Because I'm so used to making short form videos now. Oh my gosh, I forgot YouTube, you can breathe. Okay, so that's what these look like. I really like that one. And the actual candy cane that looks like this is my favorite. It tastes so good. It's like a cherry. But this, oh my goodness, this is another thing that's so stupid easy. Look at this. These were plates from the Dollar Tree. They were just plates. And I hot glued that little bead in there, not bead, little sprinkle foam ball in there, wrapped the saran wrap around it, hot glued the wooden dowel on it, wrapped it with the yarn, and this is what it looks like. And it's like so freaking stupid, cute, and easy. Oh my gosh. And I want to show you guys what I did in my kitchen as well. These to me are so like homey, but I actually like it. So I think I made 11 of these, and they're just hanging on all of the kitchen cabinets. You can see it's on all of them around the kitchen. So super cute and festive. Here's the ones that are right under the sink. And then if you want to get real festive, you can hang them from the ceiling. I'm going to continue hanging more Christmas bulbs and stuff from the ceiling, but those are the plates as well. And that's all she wrote, folks. So I hope you guys got some ideas on what you guys can make. If you guys got some ideas, let me know in the comment section below which one you're going to do. And I'll see you guys in the next video.